If you've lost access to your Chime account and don't have access to your email, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your Chime account. Step 1. Visit the Chime website. Go to the official Chime website or open the Chime mobile app on your device. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to start the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. You will be prompted to enter the phone number associated with your Chime account. Make sure to use the number you registered with, as this will be used to verify your identity. Step 4. Receive verification code. After entering your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for this code and enter it in the provided field on the website or app. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified with the code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After following these steps, you should be able to access your Chime account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for further assistance.